How to install Google Play Store on PC. So if you want to download and install Play Store apps in your laptop or your PC, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, open up your browser, go with the top right which has your Google Apps, and from here you need to go with the Play. So click on Play. Once you're here on Google Play, you need to go with the top right which has that three dots, and here you need to go with More Tools and create a shortcut. Once you click on Create Shortcut, now you need to go with Create again, and your shortcut will be created. And once you've created your shortcut, now you need to go back to your desktop, and as you can see that here you will have your shortcut. So if you click on it, then it will open up your Google Play Store. Now, if you want to download an application from the Play Store, you just need to simply click on the Play Store and it will take you to the Play Store, right? So, for example, I want to download a random app such as calculator. So search for calculator and here you will have your calculators. So you just need to simply select an application that you would like to download. Just right click and go with copy link address. Now after that, you can open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, or just simply go with your Chrome browser. And here you need to search for APKPure. After searching, now you need to go with apkpure.com, and here you need to just go with search, which is on the top right. From the search, here you need to paste the link that you've just copied. Now hit the enter and you will have your calculator right here. So go with download APK and it will start the installing process. And once the file has been downloaded, it will be under your downloads, which is right here. And under your downloads, you will have the file. You can double click on the file and it will start the installing process. So that's how you can install Google Play Store on your PC and the applications from your Google Play Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.